User interface in the myGelato app. Ready recipes. Here you will find your recipes that have already been tested and verified. At the top, there's a search bar, and you can use these buttons to sort by category or type of ice cream. On the right side, you'll find a button to add a new recipe. Drafts. This is where your designed and tested recipes are stored. To make your work easier, you can change their status by selecting the appropriate option. If you feel that a recipe is ready and the ice cream turned out perfectly, you can move it to the Ready Recipes section by selecting one of the options highlighted in green. Trash. Deleted recipes go here, and you can restore them at any time or permanently delete them if they are no longer needed. Products. This is your local database of products used for making ice cream, such as sugar, milk, or cream. To import an ingredient from our global database, click here. You'll find not only basic ingredients, but also flavor pastes, variegates, and ice cream bases from well-known manufacturers. If you don't find your ingredient, you can easily add it here. Categories. These are folders to which you can assign your recipes. To add a new category, click the blue button on the right. To assign a recipe to a category, go to the recipe list, click here, and choose one of the options from the list. Label book. Here you can generate a PDF file containing ingredient and allergen lists. Additionally, a table with nutritional values of the recipes per 100 grams and per serving size is generated. To add a recipe to the label book, go to the recipe list and select Add to Label Book. A book icon will appear next to the recipe. Users. Here you can manage users by assigning permissions or changing passwords. Calculators. While designing ice cream, the app displays the properties of the ice cream based on the appropriate calculator, such as for ice cream, sorbets, or chocolate ice cream. Here you can import a calculator for the type of ice cream you produce. Remember to check the serving temperature by inserting a thermometer into the ice cream, not by reading it off the display case. Settings. Here you set the default text printed on the label, manufacturer name, ice cream storage temperature, production date, and expiration date. You can also change the label size you are working on and the font sizes. The app allows you to print labels directly from a tablet using a Bluetooth connection. My Account. Here you can change your personal information and password.